Okay, here's how you change the ringtone on a Farfisa EX352 handset. On the front, you've got 3 buttons. You've got a key, square, and diamond button. We're going to start with the handset on the hook. What we want to do is hold down the square button for 4 seconds until you hear a tone. There we go. And now we want to hold the diamond button for 3 seconds. Don't hold it too long, just 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let go. And then if you press square, you can cycle through different ringtones. To save it, just press the key button and you should hear 3 quick beeps. And that's how you know it's saved. And that's how you change the ringtone on a Farfisa EX352 handset.